how to add artists to Twitch channel. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add artists to Twitch channel. So once you are logged into your Twitch account, move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon. In the box displayed, ensure you select creator dashboard. Alright, and after selecting creator dashboard, you'll be taken to your dashboard page. Then move to the left side of the screen, scroll down so you can see settings, and scroll up and select community. Alright, where you can see roles manager, and then select that. Then click on add a role and go ahead to search out the username of the person that you would like to add. So after searching out the username of the person and selecting the person, move to the right side of the screen, click on add role, then select artist. Alright, by selecting artist, move to the right side of the screen again and click on save, and then just like that, the username that you've selected would be added as an artist to your Twitch channel. So this is how you can go about it. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to add those artists now. Have a good day.